Here's what just happened at Meta. Yann Lecun, one of the 3 people who won the Turing Award for basically inventing modern AI, is leaving Meta to start his own world model company. And the reason why is absolutely wild. In June 2025, Mark Zuckerberg made a massive bet. He invested $14.3 billion in a company called Scale AI and brought its 28-year-old founder, Alexander Wang, to run a new division called Meta Superintelligence Labs. That's billion with a B. Here's the kicker. Lecun, who founded Meta's AI research lab in 2013 and previously reported directly to Zuckerberg, now has to report to Wang, a 28-year-old, after 12 years of building Meta's entire AI foundation. But this isn't just about ego or reporting structures. It's about a fundamental disagreement on the future of AI. Lecun has been publicly skeptical about large language models like ChatGPT for years. He literally tweeted, "Before urgently figuring out how to control AI systems much smarter than us, we need to have the beginning of a hint of a design for a system smarter than a house cat." That's a shot at everyone hyping AGI. He's saying current AI isn't even as smart as a cat, let alone something we need to worry about controlling. Meanwhile, Zuckerberg panicked after ChatGPT's success. Meta's Llama 4 model flopped. It couldn't compete with GPT-4 or Claude. So Zuckerberg pivoted hard toward language models and commercial AI products, hiring over 50 engineers from OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google. Here's where it gets messy. Sources inside Meta told TechCrunch that the AI division has become increasingly chaotic. The new hires from OpenAI and Anthropic are frustrated navigating Meta's bureaucracy. Meanwhile, Meta's original FAIR research team, which Lecun founded, has seen its scope and influence shrink dramatically. More than half of the authors of the original Llama publication left Meta within months of publication. Then, in October, Meta cut 600 positions from its AI division. That's not a restructuring, that's a bloodbath. Lecun is already in early funding talks for his new startup. Industry insiders predict his seed round could exceed $100 million. Why? Because when a Turing Award winner, who literally invented convolutional neural networks, decides to build something, the entire AI world pays attention. His startup will focus on world models using his JEPA architecture, Joint Embedding Predictive Architecture. Instead of predicting pixels or words, it predicts abstract representations of how the world works, cause and effect, physics, spatial reasoning. I think Zuckerberg made a massive strategic mistake. He's chasing short-term product wins with language models, while Lecun is building the foundation for the next generation of AI. And now Meta's biggest AI asset just walked out the door to compete against them. Within 2 years, I predict Lecun's startup will be valued at over $5 billion